Hope you're having a great week. Back with another market update video and wanted to touch on a couple of news items from today. So today and yesterday the Federal Reserve met, and today Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stated that the intention of the Fed is to hold interest rates near zero, with the possible outlook of interest rates being near zero for many years to come. On Friday, a couple things will happen. One, we're going to learn a little bit more about consumer sentiment, which is considered a leading indicator that's going to help show how consumers feel about this potential economic recovery. Also Friday, we're going to have the expiration of stock indexed futures, stock option futures, and single stock fixtures. What that means is if all of those expire, it could potentially result in a fairly dramatic day in the stock market. Just one day, but we could see a significant drop, or we could see very little, or we could see a decent gain, which I guess you could say is every day in the market. But we know with the options expiring, there is the potential for some increased volatility. And since the bottom of the market, we've seen an incredible run back. In some cases, the index is coming back to even or maybe even a little above. And with that, some portfolios have become out of balance. Maybe I had an equal amount of stock and bond to what my preference was, but now my stock is here, my bond is here. So we've seen some rebalancing of institutional investors and institutional funds, and that caused a little bit of a negative reaction to the market in the beginning of the month. But so far, it's almost close of the market today, we're essentially flat on the major indexes. The Nasdaq's a little bit lower, the S&P and the Dow are pretty close to even. So with institutional investors rebalancing and taking some profits off the table, we saw a pretty significant amount of volatility. And what we know is September and October, I've said before, are fairly volatile months. And so we may see a continuation of these choppy market days where we're up, we're down, we're up, we're down, and we may see that all of September and into October. So as more commentary comes, as more news comes, as more information is available, we will share it with you both on the video updates and in our newsletters each week. So as always, any questions or comments, please let me know. If not, make it a great week.